Presenting Tygot Gorilla Tripod. Box includes Tygot Gorilla Tripod, one holder and one tripod leg. This 13-inch tripod weighs 250 grams and it comes with dimension 25 by 6 by 6 centimeters. This Tygot Gorilla Tripod comes with anodized finishing rotating sphere which ensures to get load-bearing capacity for DSLR camera, mobile tripod, DSLR tripod
and GoPro tripod.
It comes with clasp lock made of fail-proof mechanism that ensures phone tripod never loses the angle while shooting a time-lapse type view. This product is made of high-quality ABS material. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.
Presenting the Tygot 3366 Universal Lightweight Tripod. The tripod comes with a smartphone holder mount and a carrying bag. Made of high-quality aluminium alloy material, it measures 40 by 5 by 5 centimeters and weighs 670 grams only. The maximum operating height of the tripod is 140 centimeters. Whether you want to shoot in portrait mode or a smooth 360-degree panorama, this tripod provides you with a three-dimensional platform to surge your imagination. It's compatible with most DSLR cameras, digital cameras, DV, mini camcorders. The maximum load-bearing capacity of this tripod is 5 kgs. It has 3-section telescoping legs and middle axis design which enables you to adjust the tripod height freely, and maximum usage height is up to 135 centimeters. The 3-section telescoping legs and middle axis design allows you to adjust the tripod height freely. It's super easy to switch between the horizontal view and vertical view with the pan and tilt feature. There's a convenient accessory hook to carry all the requirements for a shoot, and it also increases the tripod stability by adding extra weight. The twist lock legs help to adjust the shape of the legs between 520 mm to 1400 mm. The non-slip rubber feet makes the tripod firmer and more stable. It has a quick release plate with a 1/4 inch universal screw for fast loading and unloading of the camera. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.
Hello everyone, my name is Korak, and if you're a photography enthusiast just like me, you know how important a good and reliable tripod is. That's why I'm going to show you the Tygot adjustable aluminium alloy tripod. Let's start. The tripod comes folded in a sleek package which also includes a black carry bag and a mobile holder bracket. Its folded height is 13.8 inches. To open it up to its full height, open the leg locks and extend the legs down like this. Once you're done, snap the leg locks back into place to secure everything. You can even extend the top section here. Just loosen this knob at the base of the mounting plate, pull the tube up completely and then tighten the knob. With this, the tripod is extended to its full height and measures 41.3 inches. To attach a smartphone, secure this bracket onto the 1/4 inch screw and place your phone into it. The bracket stretches up to 3.4 inches and accommodates any smartphone. The head swivels 360 degrees, which means you can capture lovely panoramic shots. Loosen this twist lock and you can maneuver your camera with this handle. Additionally, you can even loosen the handle and tilt the head 180 degree up and down and 90 degree to the side. After using this tripod for a couple of weeks, I can say that it's lightweight and hence easy to carry around as well. You can give it a try.
Introducing DIGITEK DTR 200 Mini Tripod. This handy accessory helps you click pictures and record videos anytime, anywhere. This red and black tripod measures 22 by 6 by 4 centimeters and weighs only 141 grams. It has a minimum operating height of 5.11 inches and maximum operating height of 7.87 inches. This tripod can withstand a load of up to 1 kg. This tripod is compatible with most smartphones, GoPro, DSLR and compact cameras.
The three-legged base is equipped with non-skid rubber feet, which provides an extra strong grip even in a tilted position. The ball head comes with a 1.4-inch screw mount, giving your device a 360-degree rotation and lateral tilt. It comes with a 5-segment push-button feature for easy control over the operating height. This product comes with a standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to the product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For return or replacement policy, refer to the product detail page. For further information, visit the product detail page.
Hello and welcome to DIGITEK. In this video, we'll look at the key features of the Everycom Mini Extendable Tripod. The tripod features a lightweight and compact design that makes it extremely portable. It features a ball head mount that gives it immense flexibility when it is in use. The legs on the Everycom Mini are extendable, so it can be used with a variety of heights. It also comes with an included smartphone holder that can be used to mount a smartphone on the tripod. Also included is a handy travel pouch that keeps the product safe when not in use. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.